It's August, and although there are very few exhibitions at this time of year, we are busy preparing for September, one of the busiest months in the exhibition calendar. We're designing, manufacturing, printing, project managing, and pre-building 79 stands, all ready to install them at venues across the UK and Europe next month. Let's find out more at the task at hand.
Going back to April as well, when we had our 29 stands in 4 days, and then you're quite right, we had a very, very busy June. September is even busier. The 79 stands that we have in September, they're taking place in 15 different venues, most of which are in the UK.
Over half of all UK exhibitions take place in just 4 months. So we've built the business and the processes to cater to the seasonality of the trade show calendar.
In order to make this a seamless transaction, every department needs to work together in harmony, where it's from artwork to project management, from project management down to finishing, where we produce all our graphics and floors, through to the pre-build install team downstairs.
Yeah, for the past 6 months, the whole CAD team have been planning and designing stands in the lead of the September shows. It's a real mix between existing clients, where we are reconfiguring their stands to new spaces or host new features. And then there are new clients where we are designing their stands from scratch.
So our exhibition stands are a blank canvas for our client's brand. Every square inch is covered in graphic design. We have had 5 designers working in September's stands, and between us we have sent over 5,000 linear meters of artwork down to our print and finishing department.
Yes, it's been very busy. So I think we're finding that more and more businesses are moving to custom modular, sustainable, high value really exhibition models. And now it's our job, not just our job, but as an industry really, to make sure that we've got that capacity. So, exhibitors don't have to resort to maybe they're quick or disposable single-use stands that in the end really represent such poor value for money.
It's very natural, of course, for our customers to confirm their intention to work with us at all different times. That has an impact or a domino effect on all of the key milestones. The CAD approvals, the artwork approvals, and of course ultimately our pre-build schedule. So the reason we've approached things slightly differently this time is so that we are being able to pre-build and check and test stands according to when we are receiving approvals for artwork in essence. So in actual fact, for the last 2 months, our building has been in operation approximately from 8 o'clock each morning till 1 o'clock the following morning, at least 5 days a week and sometimes 7 days a week. So that gives you an indication of the level of activity we've been involved in to ensure that all of these 79 stands are built perfectly.
I'm immensely proud of everything that we've achieved and looking forward to installing the stands through September.
So I think we've earned a little break. But then really next for us is more investment in our facilities, processes and people. So, we can deliver even more projects next year.
We are midway through August and we are ahead of schedule. 56 stands have been quality checked in our pre-build zone and are securely stored in our locked cage, ready for our team of installers to transport them to the shows. I'll be out on the road visiting our exhibitors throughout September. And so, check back into Quadrant2Design.com to see how they get on. Goodbye for now.